Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can change your address on your Temu order, so let's get right into it. As you can see, I'm going to be doing this for the web version. However, the process is very similar for the mobile version as well. What you need to do on the mobile version is just go into the U tab at the bottom, and then you'll find all the options that you're going to find here on the web version as well. Now, first, what you need to do is you need to actually have an order. In my case, if I go to my cart, you'll see that I have a couple of these items set up for checkout. And then once I go into checkout, you'll see that I can enter the address, and you can also enter your address manually, just like this. Now, this is where you need to enter all your, details. And once you enter them and continue to payment and actually pay for your items, that's pretty much it, and your delivery address will be set. Now, if you want to change this in an order that you already made, you need to go into your orders, and as you can see, you have a couple of different order stages. The first one is processing, the next one is shipped and delivered. I'm pretty sure you can change it if you go into processing and see your orders that haven't been processed yet. You might be able to click on the order and access your order and change the address from there. If not, then I'm pretty sure that you need to cancel your order, which you still can do during the processing stage. If not, if it goes to shipped and delivered, I'm pretty sure from shipped onwards, you need to actually return the item and then order it to a different address. However, if it ends up delivered in a different address, then you might need to actually find that item yourself. However, if it's still processing, you might be able to change it, and if you're not able to change it, then just cancel your order and place the order for a different address once you go through the checkout again. And that is pretty much all there is to it. As I've mentioned, on the mobile version, you just need to go to your U page, and then you'll access all your options from there. If not, you just need to click on the hexagonal gear icon in the top right of the U page, and that's all there is to it. It's very simple. And that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.